一开始，咱来关心美国表示，以色列即马同意暂停对加沙发动攻击。白宫是讲，以色列即马已经同意讲，会针对加沙的北部，逐天会停火，会停4点钟。以下这4点钟是要互百姓会当逃离北部的战区。
美国白宫表示，以色列已經同意自初九開始暫時停火，有2條人道主義通道，讓百姓離開北部的戰區。
Israel will begin to implement 4-hour pauses in areas of northern Gaza each day, with an announcement to be made 3 hours beforehand. Now, we've been told by the Israelis that there will be no military operations in these areas. This is not our military operation. Israel makes its own decisions.
科比也感謝卡達提供甲哈馬斯溝通的管道一個援助。美國總統拜登也證實，伊確實有開喙向以色列提出停火的要求。
Did you ask for a 3-day pause to Netanyahu?
You know, I've been asking for a pause for a lot more than 3 days. Are you frustrated with Prime Minister Netanyahu that he has not listened more to some of the things you have asked him to do? It's taken a little longer than I hoped.
即天一直到暗时，拢也无加沙北部地区暂时停火的相關報道。以色列方面也無直接證實，只是甲原本就安排的措施，擱再講一遍。國防部長格朗特講，正採用小範圍加正確的行動，和巴勒斯坦百姓向難民撤離，這個攏袂影響戰爭戰鬥。哈馬斯領導人哈尼亞的政治顧問阿爾諾諾催告講，無明確條件的溝通還佫直咧進行，目前也無甲以色列達成任何協議。公司新聞吳文玲編輯。